This is a final video to fix ASUS V16 laptop audio stuttering or drops while gaming. And if you've been hearing your game sound cut out or crackle, you're not alone. Many gamers face this issue because Windows or the audio drivers sometimes clash with high-performance gaming, causing delays or drops in sound. You might have tried other solutions on YouTube, but they are long, confusing, or full of steps that don't really work. On Rexish, I'll show you a secret easy trick that fixes this in under a minute by adjusting your audio settings and updating a key driver, so your sound stays smooth while gaming. If you want, I can also make a full step-by-step guide showing exactly what to do. So comment below and let me know.